Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today let's talk about blockchain development and sort of how to get started with Ethereum blockchain development. So, if you are a Web2 developer thinking about trying out this field, watch the video till the very end. One thing I would like to say is if you are new to programming, I would recommend learning a bit of web development first. If you haven't, I have linked a web development roadmap video down in the description. It's better if you know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some front-end framework like React. It's also a plus if you know Node.js. Now to begin with, before starting to jumping into coding in Web3, learn a bit about the basics of blockchain technology. Read a bit about how distributed ledger tech works and what really happens in blockchain protocols. Well, why I recommend this is unless you know what really goes behind the scenes in the tech you use, you won't really appreciate what you are working with or what you are building. Now, since that is out of the way, let's jump right into talking about blockchain development. I will be talking about Ethereum blockchain development since it is the most popular blockchain out there for building dApps at this moment. There is a lot of support from the core dev team, and the community of Web3 developers is always out there to help you out if you are stuck. For Ethereum blockchain development, you need to write something called smart contracts. A smart contract is a program that lives on top of the blockchain and constitutes a set of rules agreed upon by the involved parties. The code of the smart contract cannot be changed, which in our terms we say is immutable. The most popular language for writing smart contracts is Solidity. Most devs out there currently use Solidity, and a great way to experiment with Solidity is by using an online integrated development environment named Remix. Remix is beginner friendly and very easy to use, and moreover it has a list of plugins you can use for a smoother development workflow. However, in real life development environment, we need a more robust technology, and so most developers use a service named Truffle. It is a popular framework for smart contracts and comes with a local Ethereum network called Ganache that we use for testing our smart contracts during development. Ganache spins up a local blockchain with 10 accounts having 10 Ether each so that you can test out your smart contracts. In the front-end interface, we create something which we called a decentralized application, which is a web app most of the time. In the front end, new devs face two challenges. One is integration with the blockchain, and the other is integrating the wallet. Integration with the blockchain is fairly easy, which we can achieve by using a JavaScript library named web3.js. It is a collection of libraries that allow you to interact with a local or remote Ethereum node using HTTP, IPC, or WebSockets. Integrating the wallet in the dApp, however, is a bit more sophisticated since we use something called private keys with which the users can sign a transaction. A transaction is sort of a data package that describes an action that a user wants to do. So that was all the important stuff you needed to know about beginning your Web3 development journey. One thing I would absolutely like to mention is learning blockchain development tools is not that important compared to building projects and staying active in the community. The blockchain space needs innovative developers now more than ever, and sharing your creative projects with the community really helps it grow. Becoming a blockchain developer takes a lot of practice and commitment and requires creativity to implement the concepts in code. So that was all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below if you want to see more content around blockchain, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.